Hey yo,
GRISELDA.
hey yo, I'm in Salvatore making salad. Been taking 3 flavors. Shoot the nigga now, we speak later. Uncle Whitney got the Mac with me here behind the Warhol. Dip the bird door, shut up the whole store. Cherry 57 in the back, learning lessons. Crack ain't drying, it be ready in a second. 40 chains on Halo, I'm a god nigga. Fear a god dog, a rocket nigga. I don't even draw, hanging out the wagon sunroof. Pick the nigga off. The meal with the chill bezel. All my phones ready, make me feel special. Banana pill AK, I'm looking real extra. With the top keys and money green Teslas. So Virgil, right brick on my brick, on my brick. White brick on my brick. So Virgil, white brick on my brick. Hey yo, Amiri's filled with cash, I'm in the fashion district. Shoot your mama house before I have to pick it. All my niggas dealing, all my niggas killing. The niggas try to test me, now the niggas missing. Milk court is still awesome. Water whip coke, I still force it. Rose out the faucet. Tell Virgil, right brick on my bread.
Look, Lil Brody let off his 30, he ain't even flinch. Caught the body, dip to the A, nobody seen him since. Got love. 560 Benz and I ain't need the tents. My weakest cent cost more than your mama need for rent. That's just for one sip, the drum rip, leave you rinse. Hide the body for a week and it's gon' leave a stench. Rappers coming to my city, they gon' need consent. Cause we already know you pussy, nigga, we convinced. I told Virgil, right brick on my brick. The nicest with this shit, ain't right this, I just spit. White bitch on my dick, this ice strip on my fist. No shoe deal, but look at all this Nike shit that I get. On Doe Street, this white shit that I pitch. 2 in the morning on the corner, night shift with my blick. No soda in this off-white shit that I whip. I'm rich, put all this off-white shit on my bitch. So if it's smoke, we ain't even asking. We just pulling up and somebody gon' see a casket. Hauling Nash and Benny like James Worthy, Kareem and Magic. Every time Griselda drop, the shit gon' be a classic.
I gave cocaine to users and OKs to shooters. Cocky, finished Versace with the stone-faced Medusa. Sopranos, Amagianos, we got gold-plated Rugers. This pistol, a backflip you and blow your whole frame to Pluto. Got our lives on us, can we chill? Eating with snakes, probably getting killed. Cause trust me, a family had a Henry Hill. And every man don't got a Benny skill. When you this dope, it take at least 50 mil just to sit me still. Like 10 on my whip, white bitch on my dick. Right whisk when I whip, that white brick on my brick. Runway Margiela, that type shit on my bitch. Butterflies and spikes, that type shit on my kicks. These rappers wanna be trendy, they hoes wanna be friendly, but never. She wear forever 21 like it's Fendi. I told that bitch it's Givenchy, she pronounced it Givenchy. She wanna fuck me and run through all my accounts till they empty. What was she gonna do? I'm still thinking militant. Old paraphernalia laying around, I got rid of it. I settled all my differences. I really had a chicken with a tree stank, like I stepped on it with a Timberland. The butcher, nigga.